Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hulu Live TV with live guide setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Hulu Live TV with live guide setup, start by launching the Hulu app on your compatible device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Log into your Hulu account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Live TV section on the home screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the subscription process. After subscribing, return to the Live TV section. To access the Live Guide, find the option labeled Live Guide or Live TV Guide. Click on this option to open the Live Guide interface. Here, you'll see a list of channels available on your Live TV plan. You can scroll through the channels to browse live programming. To set up your Live Guide preferences, go to the Settings menu. Within the settings, you can customize features such as favorite channels and notifications. Select your favorite channels to ensure they appear at the top of your Live Guide. Once you've adjusted your settings, return to the Live Guide. You can now explore live broadcasts in real time from your selected channels. To watch a live program, simply click on the show title. The program will begin streaming immediately. If you wish to record a show, look for the record icon and select it. Your recordings will be accessible in the My Stuff section of the app. For further customization, you can adjust the playback settings in the app's settings menu. Enjoy your Hulu Live TV experience with the Live Guide setup fully activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.